Previously on episode 3 we had the room plastered, which took many days for it to dry before the guys came round and painted and prepped the room ready for the flooring to be installed. So now let's get ready for episode 4.
Okay, so today we are on the final day of week 3, day 15. So this week so far, they've just been securing the floor, making sure it's all level and solid before they can begin tiling, which begins today. So today is a very exciting day. And yeah, they used a hell of a lot of screws to secure the floor down. I think one of them said like 1,200 screws or something like that. It was something ridiculous.
That was just like the other day, plus a few hundreds the day before.
So insulation, chipboard, and then they put this, I think it's called like concrete or cement board or something. So yeah, the floor is solid now. And yeah, now it's tiling, so.
Yeah. They measured the tiles and they cut them all to size yesterday because they couldn't start actually laying them down because the boards laid the day before were still drying. And somehow they managed to use all of the tiles we had. We didn't need any extra. Yeah.
So they'll be here soon, so we'll let you watch the video and see for yourself. Okay, so recap of end of week 3, day 15. So the guys have been tiling today, finally got round to tiling, and the tiles look fantastic, as you can see. However, it was all going so well until the tile smashed.
Bruh. Well, one tile.
Well, one tile smashed, but that one tile was kind of like the last tile that we had, and the previous day John spent the whole day basically working out how many tiles would be required to fill the room, and we we had the exact amount. So it was like, you don't need to order any more boxes, it'll be fine.
Surprise, motherfucker.
And then yeah, end of Friday, last tile that was sort of going on the floor broke. So
I mean, it happens. It's not
Oh,
not
yeah.
a big deal.
we're not bothered by it. It's just one of those things.
Placed an order for another box, so another 3 tiles, but they're coming on Monday because they didn't do same day delivery or anything like that. And luckily they have the same batch still in stock. Poor Brad had to pretty much jump in the skip to try and find out what batch the tiles were from. But we got there in the end.
So yeah, next week is going to be week 4, where they will be finishing the tiling, grouting the tiles, and we'll begin fitting, yes, and we'll begin actually fitting the cabinets. Now, let us know in the comments if you've guessed yet where we've got our kitchen units from. Stay tuned and keep watching.
So today is a very exciting day. Today is day number 16 and week number 4. And today we got some dangly lights. We keep headbutting.
Yeah.
And also we have grout on the floor. We've got the tiles delivered for the replacement of one that's got smashed. And we got some cabinets.
Which we are going to be building in a moment. We're going to be building pretty much all of the units on the hob side of the wall, and then Brad wants one of the tool cabinets built on the other side of the wall where our ovens are going to be. So that is the job for this evening. And then tomorrow, hopefully they'll be fitting them.
Yes, and they'll finish the floor tomorrow as well, I believe.
Yes.
Or at least laying the tiles, because they can't grout until they're nice and dry, whatever.
And they painted in here today, and it's like, you might not be able to see it necessarily on camera, but it is very bright in here.
Yeah.
Really bright.
But yeah, we just need to be aware of the dangly lights because we're going to be building some cabinets. And the bit that we were kind of unsure about is the tall unit, because the instruction booklet doesn't actually specify what space you need between the floor and the ceiling in order to be able to build the unit on the floor flat and then tilt it up. So this is where, kids, if you're watching this and you've heard someone say before that Pythagoras and trigonometry and all that stuff are just a waste of your time in school, trust me, it's not a waste of your time, because we actually used a bit of trigonometry, a bit of Pythagoras to figure out the hypotenuse of our cabinet. We should have just about 2 to 3 centimeter clearance to be able to build the cabinet on the floor and then tilt it up instead of having to somehow go up on a ladder and build it vertically. Stick around because we will be putting Pythagoras to the test in a minute. We've built the unit and now we are just about to check if Pythagoras actually works.